by color, by size, by height, by letter.
Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Kat.
I'm Pat, and we are
The
Drug Queens!
Together, we make videos about local drugstore and affordable beauty products.
And speaking of local products, we have a new local brand. And when I say new, it's very new because they're just about to launch their brand.
And it's called
Essential Organic.
If you want to know kung ano yung mga products na kanilang ino-offer, then please keep on watching. First off is their lip and cheek tint.
And girl, it's so cute. We received 6 cheek tints. Okay, so yung names, napansin ni Kat, umpisa pa lang, it's a boy's name. To Dear Stephen. Dear Butts. I'll put the spelling here. And then Dear Chester.
Dear Clay, Dear Caleb, and Dear Timothy. Sobrang kamukha siya ng popsicle lip tints ng Etude House, yung Dear Darling nila. So, baka dun nila nakuha yung inspiration ng Dear.
Pero alam mo, from all of these products, I know that the owner of Essential Organics, 2 of it na sinabi mo is boys niya.
Name ng anak niya.
Actually, I'm holding the name of the husband.
Anong pangalan ni hubby? Chester. Anong pangalan ni babies?
Clay and Caleb. Like, it's super
Hi, baby
cute.
Clay. Hi, baby Caleb. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello po. Magandang
Thank you so
araw.
much for sending these. These are so cute. And, of course, because we got a lot of it, we are going to swatch it. So, if we're going to open it, just the top and... This is so cute!
Just for reference, ito yung pinky ko. Ito yung
This
pinky
one
ko.
is
Ganito lang sa
darker.
kaliit. Okay, so here are the swatches sa fair-skinned and sa morena. So, from the top, this is Clay, Caleb, Timothy, Stephen, Chester, and Boots.
She named it with the names of the husband and the kids because they bring color to her life just as much. It brings color to the girl's life. I mean, chick tints really, diba? Pag minsan kahit chick tint lang talagang, buhay pa siya, hindi siya maputla. Ganon. So, it's like,
Fresh ka pa pag
Yeah.
may lip tints ka pa.
but that was the inspiration of the product.
yes.
And the name of the product. So, it's really, really cute.
Yes.
Si Clay, siya yung normal na chick tint. Pink.
Yes. Opaque pink.
Yes, rosy pink. And then next is si Caleb, your normal red.
Yes.
As in like yung, di ba normally naman ang chick tints natin is either pink or red. Okay? And then we have here, Timothy. So siya, kaiba siyang color kasi it's violet.
Purple
It's
siya.
purple and I can already imagine yung sa lips. Ang ganda na in fairness. Pag gano'n. Si Stephen naman, now this one is a dark
Violet.
violet. Dark violet. So, darker violet siya. And,
Chester.
pwede na siya panggabi. Parang feeling ko starting from this one pababa, panggabi na.
And then next si Chester, blood red siya. So, yun nga, as Pat said, pwede na siya for night look din. And then, si Boots. Si Boots ay ang pinaka-dark. Parang maroon, almost maroon na siya.
All of their products pala are organic. All organic, 100% natural.
Wow. Sobrang, ang lakas maka-fresh. Sobrang, ewan ko, pero Ang ganda ng violet talaga. Ang lakas. Ang lakas ng pagkaputan sa violet.
Bagay siya sa Marina.
Oo. Pati yung red. Ang ganda. So, I'm wearing sa lips si Caleb. And then, taking cheek si Timothy.
Ako naman sa cheeks ay si Chester. And then sa lips ay si Clyde.
Close up and kahit sa malayuan, para siyang lipstick. Okay, so anyway, this is the tints. Kapag nag-launch naman na sila, so meron din silang mga lip scrub and also sprays and oils, massage oils.
Marami pa silang ibang products na ina-offer and one of them is yung face scrub but we're not gonna use it in this video. It comes in a tub. It's 100 grams and ito siya. Ang ingredients niya ay honey, sugar, and essential oils. Kaya sobrang bango. Siguro at least we're gonna try it sa back of our hands.
Let's see kung ma-remove niya yung nilagay ko.
If I were to use this on my face, after mag-scrub, kailangan mo pa rin mag-facial foam. Hindi lang basta wash lang kasi yung oils kailangan mo syempre tanggalin.
And also the stickiness of the honey. So, mahirap naman na pagkagising mo, iniipis ka na.
So, that's the face scrub. Go check out yung kanilang social media accounts para sa iba pang products. But all in all, yung lip tints nila are really nice.
Yes, it is really true. And also naman yung face scrub rin. For sure, it will be bombed. Parang sayang naman kung tatanggalin, diba? Parang, no na lang. Sige.
So, there you have it. Essential Organics. Go check them out. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming very quick review, unboxing / first impressions of Essential Organics.
And I hope na lahat tayo is makapag-support ng local brands such as this one. And not just support the local brands but also yung mga organic. Kasi 'di ba, umuso na talaga ngayon yung talagang save the earth, 'di ba? Na parang no to chemicals na and you know, the naturals are really good for your skin and all. And because we love this brand so much and they gave us more than what we wanted, we will have a giveaway with Essential Organics.
Yes, lahat ng chick tints na nakita nyo kanina, plus itong face scrub, we are giving it away to one winner!
Yes, and it's simple lang naman ang gagawin, diba? You just have to follow Drug Queens in our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and also follow Essential Organics in their Instagram and Facebook. And also comment down below when you're done. So you guys are gonna comment down dito sa YouTube mismo.
Yung full mechanics will be in the description box below, so just go and check it out.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye!
So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment down below if